Welcome back to my channel, and here is the latest journal that I made. It's a nature notebook journal. I followed it through Tanya Samuel's flip through that she did, and I just replicated it. Vintage tapestry. She measures 10 inches in length, 8 inches in width, with a 4-inch spine. Vintage sari silk ribbon closure. And she is a gorgeous, huge lap book. So on this side, we have a little pocket with the acetate window with a little tag in it for journaling on. And in the back here, it's an acetate window. You can stick something in that pocket from the top here you would like. Here is a magnetic flip up pocket with a mushroom seal and a botanical label. Magnetic closure throughout. This is Graphic 45, Nature Sketchbook Collection. So here is a tag with a butterfly photograph. And you can journal on the back. So when you flip this up, I just have some images of some flowers or plants. Wooden butterfly. Okay, so this flips up. Let me see if I can keep you in frame. When you flip it up, it has a pocket here, and I just have some images of some butterflies tucked in this pocket here. This flips over. You have a pocket here and a pocket in the back. And I have some ephemera tucked in. You have a pocket here and a pocket in the back with some more ephemera. Let me move this up. We're going to flip this down. This middle section, we have a big accordion pocket with a floral blue wax seal. And I just have a bunch of extra ephemera stuck in here, some vintage and some not. In the back of this big pocket is a huge tuck spot, and I have a image from a nature's vintage book that I have, and you can journal on the back. It's a large journaling card. And on the bottom here, get you in frame. On this bottom section, we have a magnetic pocket with a bumblebee wax seal. Flip it up. I have some cards in here, one you can journal on. And another tuck spot behind that pocket with some more journaling cards, tags. And behind this little corner slot, hoping my light is not too bad. I'm using my new Dreambox 2 lighting, and it might be a little too bright, I'm not sure. but this is a image from an Edith Holden book, and I turned it into a large journaling card. Edith Holden again, journal on the back. This flips over, get you in the frame again. And we have some mushroom images, and there are pockets with some tags on it in the pockets. You can journal on the back. In this pocket I have a butterfly. Let's see, I don't have it in frame. It's a number on the pocket, Tim Holtz. Okay. And this right here is a pocket with a book page from Edith Holden book, journaling on the back. So you flip this back. Let's see if I can get you back into frame. When you flip this back up, there is a pocket on the front. And I have a large journaling card. It's a book page from Edith Holden book. Journal on the back. Okay. This middle section here, I have some images of mushrooms, and I have them double on each side, so you can take them out and journal on the cards if you would like. And this is a large envelope, and inside of it I have a little journal, travel journal, whatever, made out of some vintage wallpaper and Indian applique. Some coffee dyed paper in here. Some extra space to journal on. And this is a flip up. And this is Tim Holtz fabric. I will be listing this in my Mercari shop if anyone is interested. You flip this over. This is the journal. It's tied in, but I took it loose. We'll set it aside and look at it in a moment. So on this side I have gem clipped in, some tags, and an image of a butterfly. Got some envelopes, a little berry sticker, and this is where your journal will go. And on this side I have an image of a butterfly, a tag, journal on the back. An envelope with a floral seal, like wax seal. Some journaling tags. And some mushrooms. You can journal on the backs of these if you would like. But there's several of them on here. And then I have these little pockets. Some dried flowers and leaves in them. Hope my lighting isn't too bad. I think it's going in the pocket. There. Oh, my lighting isn't good. I have to start recording in my other desk. Dried flowers. You can write on the back of this tag with a white ink pen or metallic gold or something for it to show up. This flips over. And I have a pocket right here in the back. Image from the Tanya Samuel's paper collection. Image from my book page. Book page, just made a tag out of it. And there is a pocket here with some ephemera stuck in it. Another pocket here in the back with some more ephemera and a guest check. This coffee dyed. Another pocket in the back. Butterflies. Flower packet. Seed packet. Okay, and this flips over. On this side, make sure I got it right. There is a pocket here, and I just have some large journaling tags in them. And this one is magnetized. It's got the word toadstool and a wooden mushroom on the front. With just some little tags in the pocket here. And in the back of this pocket here, I have a botanical postcard. And a tag. Okay. On this side, it is a large, looks like an envelope flap thingy. It's got a acetate window, and I just have something taped to the back. You can remove it, and it can just view what's inside of here if you would like. A collage mushroom. On this side, I have a policy envelope. With a tag in the inside that you can write on. Just sit to this to the side. So that goes in this pocket. So in this pocket, I have a little tag. And there is a pocket behind here with some envelopes. This has notes. So when you flip it over, on this side, you have a notes where you can take notes or a journal on, and then a file folder, a see-through vellum window, and it's on each side. It's the same thing. Some brads, says field notes. Here is a pocket with a large journaling tag and some flowers stuck in it. You can journal on the back of that. Everything is sewn pretty much. And we have a image from Edith Holden page and a large tag that you can journal on the back. Close this up and it flips over. When you flip it over, I have two oval windows, a wooden flower that I stained yellow. There's tags in each of these pockets. You can feel free to write on the back with a magnetic gold pen or marker or a white pen. Not magnetic, but you know what I'm trying to say. And these are file folders. You can put something in. There's two of them. Okay, on this side, there are pockets with mushroom seals. And I just got some book pages in here from Edith Holden. Magnetized. This flips up. This one's got a page from a vintage book, a song music sheet. So when you flip this down, you have this see-through big old pocket, acetate pocket. You can't put anything on this side because when I designed it, I forgot to put the pocket here, but you can on the back, which I'll show you. So you can see what's behind this flap here. So when I close all this up and open it up again, here's your see-through pocket. You can stick something in from the top here in this large pocket here. So on this side which is what you've seen from the inside of the vellum, the acetate window, is a large pocket here. And I just have a journaling card in here. And behind it, I have another tag. I think that's it for this section. Let me show you the journal. It's like accordion, waterfall-like journal. And this is Edith Holden on the front. and a little owl. And I did Mod Podge it to seal it in. The spine. I have some vintage sari silk going through it. Here's the back. Graphic 45. Botanical label. Everything's sewed around. Let's get into her. This is one signature. You flip it open and you have a pocket here. This right here is a saying from, it's a die cut from Graphic 45. It's a pocket. And I have some ephemera in it. I have a vintage postcard. A tag that I made out of some vintage wallpaper. You can write on the back. Okay, and then this is just a piece of Tim Holtz fabric. Just got it pinned on this page. And some fabric swatches. Indian fabric here. Some old photos that I got off the internet. Nature book pages that are vintage. Copper dye paper. Vintage wallpaper. Fabric flip. Vintage. I got a little charm. Beaded charm right here on the top here. Vintage book page with a little card that you can journal on the back if you would like. Tim Holtz. Clipped in. Another image. I got a little pocket right here with some Indian fabric. Just got some little ephemera tucked in the pocket here. This is to vintage music sheet, dried flower, a little image of a lady in the field, picking some collard greens, and this is a large bag, and I got some Indian trim right here on the edge, and a button, vintage buttons. This is a pocket, and we just have a repair tag with some collaging on it, old cashier's envelope, another image, Indian fabric, vintage floral book page, some vintage wallpaper, and this is of a family eating, like a Sunday dinner. Thought that was cute. And this is just an image from an Edith Holden book page that I just have clipped over the page there. A piece out of an Edith Holden book. I thought the pattern was very pretty. dried leaf. You got a leaf on this page, on that little edge. Nature book, I'm not sure. It's not Edith Holden. Some Indian trim. Here's a pocket with a large journaling tag that you can write on the back. And this right here is Edith Holden. It's a pocket. I just got this little tag stuck in it. You can write on it. It's magnetized. And this is a page from a vintage book. And I just have this gem clipped in. Image of a butterfly. Another vintage postcard. Vintage children book. And just some items clipped in. This is the center of the journal. So we have a botanical postcard, butterfly image, and we have some tags and other items tucked in this pocket here. This is a card, I believe, with an envelope. It's blank. You can write in it with what you want. And this is some Indian trim on the edge. I thought it was very pretty. Indian sari silk in the center, so you can change this journal out, change the pages however you like. Glossine bag. It is embossed. The fairy postcard. And a tag in the back that you can journal on. Somebody in the field picking, looks like collard or turnips. Indian fabric trim. Ephemera. Edith Holden page clipped in. And she's shucking some peas. And this is some vintage Indian fabric, and it's a pocket. And I just have a plethora of stuff in it. It's a tag, the fern, a little scrappy pad. Envelope. And there is a pocket here. Let me see if I'm doing this right. Hold on. Image out of Edith Holden book page. And this pocket is another Edith Holden book page. Journaling card on the back. It's tucked in this pocket, and I also, when I close it, I put the string from the back of the journal fed through this eyelet, and it keeps it from bending. Have a pocket on the back of this envelope. This big old bag, I mean. Journaling card. Vintage music sheet. Another pocket here with a botanical card in it, and this is Indian fabric. And here is a pocket, and I just have some items tucked in. Butterfly, tag, another tag, Tim Holtz, you can write on the back of this. Very pretty Indian fabric. Indian fabric. Another pocket here with some ephemera tucked in. Graphic 45 cord. Another pocket with some tags, some fibers, vintage fibers on the top. Vintage lace trim, belly band, Edith Holden book page, and this is the back of the cover. I have a large tag here. Journal on that. Large journaling card from Edith Holden book. Plenty of space to journal on. Okay, that concludes this viewing of this journal, and I will get the pictures posted and listed in my Mercari shop for anyone that is interested. Thank you for stopping by my channel and watching today. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you already aren't, thank you. Good night.